Spanish ibex, another kind of goat. Roe deer, Spanish red deer, soy sheep, a chamois. Now they've got really soft fur. Fallow deer, mouflon sheep, Russian boar. Looks like it says Nilgai. Never seen one of those. And this is a Markhor Persian ibex.